students, how are you? We hope you are fine now. Let's start our next topic, multiplication by two-digit numbers. In last class, we studied about multiplication by one-digit numbers. Now we discuss multiplication by two-digit numbers. Give an example, multiply 49 into 37. We have two methods for multiplication. First method is box type method and second method is column method. First we discuss box type method. 49 is a two-digit number, also 37 is a two-digit number. So draw four columns. In 49, we have how many ones and how many tens? 9 ones and 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Take the second number 37. In 37, how many ones we have? 7 ones. So write 7 here. And how many tens in 37? 3 tens. That is 30. Next, multiply separately ones and tens. So multiply 30 into 40. First we multiply 3 into 4. What is the answer? 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, in 30, how many zeros here? 1 0. So write 0 here. In 40, we have 1 0. So write 0 here. Okay, next multiply 30 into 9. That is multiply 3 into 9 first. What is the answer? 3 into 9? 27. In 30, how many zeros are there? 1 0. So write by 0 here. So what is the answer? 30 into 9 is 270. Next we multiply 7 into 40. That is, first we multiply 7 into 4. What is the answer? 7 into 4? 28. In 40, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So put that 0 here. So what is the answer? 7 into 40 is equal to 280. Next we multiply 7 into 9. What is the answer? 7 into 9? 63. Okay. Next we add these four numbers. That is 1200 plus 270 plus 280 plus 63. Add these four numbers. What is the answer? Answer is 1830. This is the first method, box type method. Next method is column type method. Column method. That is, first we multiply 49 into 37. 49 into 37. Okay. In this case, first we multiply 49 into 7. In 37, how many ones and how many tens? We have 7 ones and 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Okay, first of all we multiply 49 into 7. That is, first we multiply 7 into 9. What is the answer? 7 into 9 is 63. So, write 3 here, remaining 6 carried over here. Next we multiply 7 into 4. What is the answer? 7 into 4? 28. And add this 6 to 28. So what is the answer? 34. Okay. Next we multiply 49 into 30. That is, in 37 we have 7 ones and 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. So that we multiply 49 into 30. That means put 0 here. Okay. Next we multiply 49 into 3. That is, first we multiply 3 into 9. What is the answer? 3 into 9? 27. So write 7 here. Remaining 2 carried over here. Okay. Next we multiply 4 into 3. What is the answer? 4 into 3? 12. 12 plus this carried over 2. So what is the answer? 40. Okay. Add these two numbers. 3 plus 0, 3. 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 carried over, 1 here. Okay. Next 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1. So what is the answer? 1813. Same answer. Once again, first we multiply 49 into 7, that is first 7 into 9 and 7 into 4. Next step, multiply 49 into 30, that means put 0 here. After that, multiply 49 into 3. Okay, because in 37 we have 7 ones and 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. So put 1 0 here. Next we multiply 3 into 9 and 3 into 4. 3 into 9 is 27. So write 7 here. Remaining 2 carried over here. Next we multiply 3 into 4 is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. Just add those two numbers. So we got the answer as 1813. Next, you can verify your answer by digit sum method. We multiplied this question by two methods, that is box type method and column method. Next, you can verify your answer by digit sum method. That is, first find digit sum of multiplicand. First we find heading verification. First we find digit sum of multiplicand. Digit sum of multiplicand. We know about multiplicand and multiplier. That means the number that is multiplied is multiplicand. So in this question 49 is multiplicand. And 37 is multiplier. That means number by which it is multiplied is multiplier. So in this question 37 is multiplier and 49 is multiplicand. So for the verification of this questions, first we find digit sum of multiplicand. In this question 49 is a multiplicand. So digit sum of multiplicand means separate 49 by digits, that is 4 and 9. 49 is a 2-digit number. Separate this digit by 4 and 9. Add these two digits. So what is the answer? 9 plus 4 is 13. This is a 2-digit number. So separate these digits. That is 1 and 3. Separate 13 by 1 and 3 and add 1 plus 3. So what is the answer? 4. For the verification, we need only single digit number. Okay. Next we find digit sum of multiplier. Digit sum of multiplier. In this question 37 is a multiplier. So digit sum of multiplier is split 37 into digits. That is 3 and 7. Next we add these two numbers. These two digits. 3 plus 7 is the answer 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So split this by digits. So 1 and 0. Add 1 plus 0. What is the answer? 1. Okay. Next, we multiply these two answers. That is digit sum of multiplicand into digit sum of multiplier. That is product of digit sum. That means multiply digit sum of multiplicand and digit sum of multiplier. That is digit sum of multiplicand into digit sum of multiplier. Here digit sum of multiplicand is 4 and digit sum of multiplier is 1. So multiply these two numbers. 4 into 1. What is the answer? 4. So product of digit sum is 4. Next step is digit sum of product. Digit sum of product. We know that the result of multiplication is known as product. So in this question, this is known as product. The result of multiplication is known as product. So here 1813 is a product. So digit sum of product means split this number into digits. So split that numbers into digits, that is 1, 8, 1, 3. That is split that number into digits. So next we add these digits. So 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3. So what is the answer? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So split these 2 digits into 1 digit. So that is split this into 1 and 3. Next we add these 2 digits. 1 plus 3. So what is the answer? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That is, product of digit sum is equal to digit sum of product. Okay, same answer is 4 equal to 4. Thus, it is verified. That means, in this question, product of digit sum is equal to digit sum of products. So, this question is verified. So, it's all about multiplication by 2-digit numbers. I hope you are understood about this topic. If you have any doubt and feedback, suggestions, please comment me.